It's your boy Uzi Vlogs, and I'm back with another banger. Today I'm doing a little mukbang, Chinese food mukbang. Tell y'all, since my last video was how did y'all lose your virginity, today I'm gonna tell y'all how I lost mine. Quick little story time. I'm gonna eat my fortune cookies first. You know, I got the fried chicken. And I got the General Toast chicken boy. So, you know we about to get down. You know how we get down. Just the first mukbang I'm going to post on my channel. I have other ones, but just the first one I'm posting. Let me post my food on Snapchat before I get into the story. See? About dying, you know, banger on the way. See? About dying, you know, banger on the way. See? About dying, you know. Alright, so I'm gonna get right into it. I'm not gonna say no names on. I ain't gonna say no names, no, none of that. But so it happened pretty fast. I didn't even know it was gonna happen. Cause I was walking home from a party with my friend. I was walking from my friend's house after a party. And I hit up old girl like, could I slide through? I said, can I slide through? You know, I'm trying to be smooth. I'm acting like I did it before. I've been capping to my friends that I lost it, all that. So I'm like, today. I hit her up like, what you doing? No, she hit me up. She hit me up that night. Yeah, she hit me up that night. And I was like, no, I'm walking home. It was like 12. So I'm like, you know what that mean? So she hit me up like, what you doing? And I was like, no, I'm walking home. And she told me to go to her crib. But her dad had to go to sleep and stuff. I was waiting for her dad to go to sleep and stuff. So it took me like 15 minutes. I was waiting outside with my boy. So me and my bro, we waiting outside, and boom, she sneaks me in through the window. No cap. Like, I snuck in through a window. I'm like, I ain't never did nothing like this before. I had to sneak through a window. So I sneak through the window. We're chilling or whatever. I'm like, yeah, we're chilling. I don't even know how it happened. I just know we was chilling in the room. I was on Snap or something. And I had texted my friend was texting me while I was in there. Like, he think as soon as I got in there, I'm in there. Nah, it wasn't like that. Because she was like, you gonna tell all your friends, woody woo. But me, I keep my mouth closed. I ain't gonna put no dirt on no girl name. So, I get in there. It's like her dad home, all that. And I'm just in her room. Everybody home. I'm like, damn. And she like start tugging on my pants. And that's when I knew. I was like, oh yeah, you know what time it is. So she started doing that, and I'm like, I don't know what I said, but I took off her shirt, you know. I was like, yeah. I was acting smooth like I already did this before, but inside I was like geeking. So yeah, boom. She took off my pants, I take hers off. Mind you this, I didn't even know where nothing was while I'm trying to act like Mr. Pro. I didn't even know where it was. I'm like, Oh, snap. She put in for me. I kid you not, I took like 1 or 2 strokes in the water and I nutted. I was like, oh shit. No. That ain't how it happened. I'm thinking of another story. This one, I don't think I busted. Cause I was in there for like an hour. Not even an hour, probably like 15 minutes before I even got my first, my first nut. So like, it was weird because I thought I nutted fast. Because I was making it slower. Because like, I went in, went out, and I seen a whole bunch of white. I'm like, damn. Is that me or you? And we both started laughing. And she was like, that's her. So I was in there, boom, boom, for like a good little 30 minutes before round 1 was done. And my bro was calling me while I was in there still. But he got the idea that like it was like happening. So he started going home. He went home. Cause when I hopped back out the window, he was down the street and I had to catch up. But yeah, like girl was bugging, yo. Her whole family was home. Her dad, her grandpa. Man, I was scared. Cause like halfway through it, like 15 minutes in, I had to hide on the side of her bed. I'm like, yo, oh girl bugging, yo. But yeah, man. I don't know what the hype was about losing your virginity, but it was like, I was happy, but it ain't changed nothing. I mean, I could have waited. It ain't changed nothing too much. Yeah. But that's how I lost my virginity. That's the story. But also, the reason why I ain't been uploading as much is because I usually try to upload every week, but my editor is in Tampa Bay right now, and I'm like a basic editor, and I just got Adobe Premiere, and I've been trying to learn how to use that. So it's been hard. So I just said, why not wait till she come back, or I'll just do a mukbang for y'all, something I can edit easy. Yeah. But other than that, Uzi Vlogs been Uzi Vlogs. I'm still I'm still chilling. Before this video, actually, I was playing Fortnite. I'm mad I got second place. Cause we definitely should have won that. But it is what it is. That's why I don't really play Fortnite no more. I've been playing Apex. But, a lot of my friends still play Fortnite. I've been fucking with Apex. But, yeah. No, I haven't really ate Chinese food in a while. That's why I'm eating Chinese food today. It's been a while. So, I did a Chinese food mukbang for y'all and a little story time. Man. Delicious. Yeah. I'm almost done with this. I'm probably gonna watch a movie while eating the wings. I only ate one. Yeah. That's probably what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna eat this. Then when I'm eating the wings, I'm gonna probably throw a movie on. Oh yeah. I also reached like 100 subscribers like I think it was a couple of days ago, 4 days ago. I've been promoting, trying to get to 200 before I upload my next video, but hopefully this mukbang gets me to 200 subscribers. We on the road to 1K. Somebody just subscribed to my channel. Shout out to her. Shout out to her. And you know, I'm gonna keep dropping bangers for y'all. I've been trying to like maintain a schedule, but like that's pretty hard with my editor being gone. But my editor comes back this weekend, so I should drop 2 videos this week for y'all. It should be a 2-video week because I gotta edit another video. That video is actually a surprise video for y'all. Since I already told y'all the story, I'm just about to finish the food. Finish my food for y'all. You know, little Chinese food. Nothing too major, nothing too major. But, yup, that is how I lost it. It was crazy, bro, because, like, her dad was in the room right across the hall, and I'm like, I was scared, bro. I was scared. I thought he was going to run in there, kick the door down. But I'm glad he did it. Y'all, I'm glad he did it. But yeah, I've been trying to be consistent, trying to do like a video a week thing, but I think that's pretty good. I've been staying on track with it too. And I forgot to open my fortune cookies, so I'm going to do that. Let's read what my fortune says. The fortune says, don't stop now. Don't stop now. I mean, I ain't planning on stopping with this YouTube grind. We on the road to 1K. We have 121 subscribers right now, so I'm trying to get to 200 by like the end of this, like probably by the end of this week. I'm trying to get to 200. I've really been promoting like crazy. Shout out to all my fans, all the mutts out there. I say mutt a lot. It's a word I made up. Just what I say. All my mutts out there, thank you for showing love, reposting, commenting, and just showing support, because some people be trying to like say $5, I'll repost your video. Like, bro, you're from the city and you're trying to charge me $5. Like, my thing is, I don't care if I blow up off this. I'm not going to charge no one to support them. If I'm going to support them, I'm going to support them. It shouldn't cost nothing to show support. That's how I feel about that. But some people out here be asking me my budget when I'm just asking them to repost something for me. Like, bro, It's okay, bro. You don't gotta show love. But I know I'm gonna make it with or without your help. With or without your help, I'm be where I wanna be. I'm not gonna stop grinding because you didn't show support. That low key motivates me a little more. Gotta turn the doubters into believers. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this mukbang. Like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below if you want to see another banger. Share with all your friends. And I'm probably going to drop another video this weekend when my friend get back in town. Yeah, it's only up from here, man. We're on the road to 1K. Like I said, I'm trying to get 200 subscribers by the end of this week. So let's make that happen. It's your boy UC Vlogs, and I'm out. I had a nice time doing this mukbang with y'all. So comment down below if you want more mukbangs. I shouldn't be talking with food in my mouth, but I had to get that out, and we're out.